mapagugad sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan. Mapagugad sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan.
Alright! Muli po isang magandang good morning sa inyong lahat! Alright, nag-enjoy ba? Yes, thank you very much and welcome sa ating PKG Online Awitan. Sana po kayo ay mag-enjoy sa aming mga hinatid na awitin para po sa inyong lahat. Alright, at tuloy-tuloy ang ating tugtugan. And for my first song for this morning, let us first have I Love the Nightlife by Alicia Bridges. Please don't talk about love tonight. Please don't talk about sweet love. Please don't talk about being true and all the trouble that we've been through. Oh, please don't talk about all the plans that we had for fixing this broken romance. I want to go where the people dance. I want some action. I want to live action. I got so much to give. I want to give it. I want to get some too. I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Oh yeah. Oh, I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Yeah. Let's go. Please don't talk about love tonight. Your sweet talking won't make it right. Love and lies just bring me down. When you've got women all over town, you can love them all, and when you're through, maybe that'll make a man out of you. I got to go where the people dance. So want some action. I want to live action. I got so much to give. I want to give it. I want to get some too. I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Yeah. Oh, I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Oh, yeah. Alright. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Ayan. Thank you so much again for listening. Tuloy pa rin ang ating tugtugan at kwentuhan dito lamang sa PKG Online Awitan. Come on now. I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Oh yeah. Oh, I love the nightlife. I got to boogie on the disco round. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. That was I Love the Nightlife by Alicia Bridges. Ayan, once again, isang magandang good morning sa ating lahat na nanonood, nakikinig at nakikijam. Dito lamang sa ating PKG Online Awitan. Siyempre po, bago tayo magsimula, ay batiin natin ang ating PICA-G Command Group sa pangunguna po ng aming Director Police Brigadier General Vina Habana Guzman. Ganon din po sa aming DDA Police Colonel Joel Serrano, sa aming DDO Police Colonel Adonis Guzman, and of course sa aming Chief of Staff Police Colonel Joel Ada. And of course, nais ko rin pong batiin ang aming Acting Chief ng ICDD, Police Lieutenant Colonel Brenda Garcia, and of course, sa aming very supportive na Assistant Chief ng ICDD, Police Lieutenant Colonel Rodel Trumata. And nais ko rin pong batiin ang aking Singing Cups Season 1 Alumni Family. Hello sa inyo dyan. Alam kong nanonood kayo. And of course, sa aking family Atienza and Sacmar family. And syempre, nais ko po munang pasalamatan ang lahat ng nanood at sumuporta sa kakatapos lamang na Singing Cup of the Philippines Season 2. Ayan, di ba? Tagisan ng boses ng ating kapulisan. And kamakailan lamang ay itinanghal na rin ang ating Grand Champion ng Singing Cups of the Philippines for a Cause Season 2. Walang iba kundi to be introduced later. O, di ba? Patikimin muna namin kayo. Bitin na namin kayo ng konti kasi mamaya lamang maririnig nyo na ang kanyang performance. Di ba? Feel ko may paparinig din sa atin, ipaparinig din sa atin ang kanyang winning performance. Diba? Yes, thank you so much. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating tugtugan dito sa ating PICA-G Online Awitan. Sana po magustuhan ninyo ang aking susunod na awitin. Let's go! Ayan. Sana po ito inyong magustuhan. Medyo mahaba-haba itong kanta ko. Kaya sana mag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much. There's a light, certain kind of light that never showed on me. How I want my life to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way, everybody says, to do each and every little thing. But what does it bring if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, yeah, yeah. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Yeah, I'm going back to Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go home. And the lights all went down in Massachusetts the day I felt her standing on her own. Tried to hitch a ride to San Francisco. Gotta do the things I wanna do. And the lights all went down in Massachusetts. They brought me to see my way with you. Smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you all my love. Talk in everlasting words and dedicate them all to me. And I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should call to me. You think that I don't even need a single word I say. There's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. I started a joke, which started a whole world crying, but I didn't see that the joke was on me. Oh no, I started to cry, which started the whole world laughing. Oh, if I'd only see that the joke was on me. I look at the skies, rubbing my head over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head, all the things that I said, till I finally died, which started a whole world living. Though if I'd only see that the joke was on me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, my heart won't believe that you have left me. I can telling myself that it's true. I can't get over anything you want, my love, but I can't get myself over you. Don't forget to remember That was the Bee Gees medley. Yes. Pag nasikat, syempre ng Bee Gees. Thank you so much. Bago po tayo mapatuloy, let's first have a shout out po sa ating mga viewers. Of course, sa ating Jess Pogi. Hello, Sir Jonathan De Leon, sir. Magandang umaga po. And of course, pa-shoutout din po from Sir Rayboy Abria. Magandang umaga, sir. Pa-shoutout din sa ating mga SMS troopers from CRMC section ng Pika G. Hello po, magandang umaga po sa inyo. Ang galing ni Ma'am, watching from Caraga. Ay, ni Sir pala. Sabi kasi sa comment, ang galing ni Ma'am, tapos ang galing ni Sir. Watching from Caraga, from Pika G Caraga region. Nakakaalis daw po ng pagod ang ating mga kanta. From Ma'am Raquel Anico, maraming salamat po ma'am. And tutok lang po kayo dahil marami pa po tayong mga songs na nakalatag para po sa inyo kung saan makakaalis talaga ng mga pagod, di ba? Siyempre kalagitnaan pala ng araw, feel nyo parang na-stress na kayo, di ba? Siyempre sa work, sa school. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dyan dahil marami po kami nakaabang ng mga songs for you. And speaking of galing ng ating mga kapulisan, gaya nga ng na-mention ko kanina, nagkaroon po tayo ng patimpalak kung saan sinukat natin ang galing ng ating mga singers sa buong Philippine National Police. Yan po ang contest na pinamagatang Singing Cups of the Philippines for a Cause Season 2. Ayan, nasa ikalawang season na po sila. And noong Friday lamang ay itinanghal ang kanilang Grand Champion. Eto na nga, hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Alam ko, last week nyo pa to hinihintay. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Grand Champion of the Singing Cups of the Philippines for a Cause Season 2, Police Master Sergeant Norman Wildman III from the National Headquarters. See you guys!
Sound. Ayan, good morning po sa ating lahat. Sa lahat po ng ating mga viewers online dito po sa ating mahal na unit sa Pika G at sa iba't ibang units po ng buong ating pambansang pulisya. Sa ating mga civilian viewers po, magandang hapon po at umaga sa atin pong lahat. Sabi ko wag na ako ipakilala ni Sakmar dahil parang bago naman po ako dito. Lagi niyo naman po ako nakikita dito sa Pika G Online Awitan. Pero from the bottom of my heart, wow! Siyempre nagpapasalamat po ako sa suporta ninyong lahat. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga live viewers po natin nung nakaraang Biyernes. Ang hirap po mag-reply isa-isa dahil sa sobrang dami po ng mga comments ninyo. Pero ngayon po, pasasalamatan ko po kayo lahat. Mamaya po, may mababatiin po tayo ng happy birthday. So, ayan, our first song po. Sana po magustuhan ninyo.
Burger King King Feast for me. Pick one main and one side. Starts at 89 pesos only.
Puro ads pala to. O, ayan na.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Gonna camp in my sleeping bag. I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard. Got your picture in my head saying, if you sit as girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense, but what else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wander, and on this earth I could be thinking maybe you'll come back here to the place where and said, son, can't you stay here? I said, there's someone I'm waiting for within today, a month, a year. Gonna stand my ground, even if it's rains or snow. If it changes your mind, this is the first place you will go. 'Cause if one day you wake up, find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wander, and all this earth I can be, thinking maybe you'll come back into the place where we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street, and I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Yeah. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. People talk about the guy who's waiting on a girl. Oh, there are no holes in his shoes, but a big hole in his world. Maybe I'll get famous as a man who can't be moved. Maybe you want me to. You see me on the news. You come running through the corner, 'cause you know it's just for you. I'm the man who can't be moved. I'm the man who can't be moved. 'Cause if one day you wake up, find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wander when all this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back into the place where we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wander on the earth I could be, come back into the place where we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Gonna camp in my sleeping bag. I'm not gonna move. Yes, that was The Man Who Can't Be Moved by The Script. Ayan, meron po akong mga nais batiin ngayong umaga ng happy birthday. So, syempre, pag binati natin ng happy birthday, ayan sa ating NUP supervisor, kay Mama Fritz Ann Reyes. Ayan, happy birthday po. At syempre, meron din po tayong isang babatiin dito. Pinapabati po ng aming chief. Ngayon, ito, si Ma'am Grace Angelica Farrell. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Kay Ma'am Fritz, ang ating NUP supervisor, dito po sa Pika G. At kay Ma'am Grace Angelica Farrell. Happy birthday po mga ma'ams. Ayan, sana po mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong umaga. May God bless you at sana po humaba pa po ang inyong buhay. Happy birthday po. At sa lahat, syempre, ng may birthday ngayong April at May, isama na rin po natin yung mga May celebrants. Happy birthday po sa inyong lahat. Sa aking buting may bahay, birthday po niya nung April 14. At sa akin naman pong panganay na anak is nung April 18 po. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Alright, moving on po tayo sa ating set. This next song, alam ko po marami pong makaka-relate sa atin at marami pong may alam din po ng kantang ito. Pwede niyo po kaming sabayan habang nandyan po kayo sa inyong mga tahanan o kumakain po kayo ng tanghalian ngayon, pwede niyo po kaming sabayan. There were times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace. in a cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years, I long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as time goes on and on and on, my love for you will be forevermore. Oh, oh. I just can't believe that you were mine now. 'Cause you were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As this is forever, our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Let's last forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Yes, that was Forevermore. Isa sa mga magagandang kanta ng Side A's. Actually, lahat po ng mga kanta ng Side A's, magaganda po yan. Sa mga batang 90s, nakaka-relate po yan dyan sa mga ganyang awitin. So, sa mga kabataan nakikinig ngayon, alam kong alam ninyo, din mga kantang yan, hindi po yan namamatay. Ayan, sa ating mga viewers po ngayon na nasa biyahe, ingat po tayo, lalong-lalo na po sa ganitong panahon. Napakainit po ng panahon. Lagi po tayo magdala ng ating mga tubig para always hydrated po tayo. Pa-shoutout po from PSSLC Class 2026-01 Bravo kay Sir Itawes, si Sir Bautista po ito. Kay Clutario Marley from Pro 4B. Ayan, ma'am sir, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Pa-shoutout from Isabela MPS mula kay Sir Rolando Tolentino. Ayan, shoutout din po sa Arcad NCRPO mula kay Ma'am Naila Aganznok. Ayan, chat nyo na lang po kung paano po yan. Shoutout din po kay DGT Rylin Jacinto ng SMS na nanonood ngayon sa atin. Ayan, Sergeant pala. Sergeant Rylin Jacinto na nanonood ngayon sa SMS. Rialin pala to. Masyado akong inislag. Rylin. Ang lamig po ng boses ni Sir. Ang sarap pakinggan. Sabi naman po ni Ma'am Ven Zarmain. Salamat po, salamat po. Ha? Shoutout po. Siyempre sa likod ng camera yung ating mga operations, yung mga nag-ooperate po dito sa ating PNN, lalong-lalo na po dito po sa ating online awitan, sa magandang sound, sa magandang video po na nakikita nyo po ngayon dahil po yan sa kanila dito po. Shoutout po mga ma'ams and sirs, maraming salamat po sa efforts ninyo palagi from day one dito po sa ating Pika G online awitan. So next po tayo. Next song po tayo. This next song is from Selena.
Late at night when all the world was sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in this world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, you see me one side, would you even dare? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So I wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I'll do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Night when all the world was sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I still can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you. Now I'm dreaming with you tonight till tomorrow. And for all of my life, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here
Dreaming of You. Sa ating mga kaawitan, suportahan po natin ang programa ng Philippine National Police sa mga online platforms at TV. Meron po tayong Police News Network. Ayan, araw-araw po yan, 11 a.m. to 12 noon. At meron pa pong isa, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Siyempre, ang sumbong ninyo, action agad. Mondays to Fridays po yan, alas 12:30 ng tanghali. Panoorin po natin yan, mga sirs and ma'am. Marami po tayong mga matututunan dyan. So next po natin, by Brian McKnight.
It's undeniable that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I fall never. The basis I need to know. If you don't know just how I feel, then let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in right time will reveal, yeah. One, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps, 1, 2, 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back at one. It's so incredible the way things work themselves out, and all emotional once you know that it's all about, babe, and undesirable for us to be apart. Never would have made it very far, 'cause you know you've got the keys to my heart. 'Cause one, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps, 1, 2, 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start to say farewell to the dark night. I see the coming of the sun. I feel like a little child whose life has just begun. You came and breathed new life in through this lonely heart of mine. You threw out the lifeline just in the nick of time. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps, 1, 2, 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I started back at one.
All right. Next song agad tayo.
Ooh. is for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that life's a bore so full of a superficial. And some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. Feeling you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah. Some people search for the fountains that promises forever your home. Some people need 3,000 roses, but that's the only way to prove you love them. Hand me the world on a silver platter, and what good it would be with no one to share, and no one who truly cares for me. And some people want it all, man, I don't want nothing at all. Feeling you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. Feeling you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got it with baby, and nothing in this whole round world don't mean a thing if I ain't got you with me, baby.
Yan. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood. Siyempre, tatawagin naman po natin ang ating second performer. Ay, third pala. Pangatlo na pala sila. Sila pong dalawa yung ating susunod na contender sa Singing Cup Season 3. So, ayan. Tawagin po natin si Patrolwoman Resily Umalay at si Patrolwoman Clarice Miraflor.
Ayan, isang magandang umaga po ulit sa ating lahat. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating programang Online Awitan.
At patanghali na din po, kaya good noon na din po sa inyo. Kasi yung
Parang
oras
yung
na natin
boses mo
ngayon-
parang pagutom na eh. Gutom ka na
Oo,
ba?
gutom na ako eh.
Time
Time check,
yung
it's
energy
already
niyo, pababa na eh.
11:57 na po ng umaga. Kaya magnoon na po, 12 noon. Kaya magandang tanghali din po sa inyo.
Ayan, syempre binabati ko po pala ang aking HCAD family. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat na nandyan. Sa pamumuno po ni Police Colonel Veronica P. Peñalosa at sa aking HCAD family. At syempre binabati ko po ang aking family sa Bicol. Maray na umaga, maray na daw po sa Indogabos dyan. At syempre sa aking nanay at tatay, happy 30th wedding anniversary. Ayan po sa aking parents.
Sa mga classmate po pala namin dyan sa Sarangani na nasa Maritime Group, shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan, lalong-lalo na kay Patrol Woman Rina Celestine. Pero nasa katawan siya ng babae, pero lalaki yun.
Pero ang ganda ng pangalan
Oo.
niya, Reyna?
Rina.
Rina.
Oo, kasi double E.
Double E.
Double E yun.
Akala ko kasi Reyna. Ang pag-pronounce
Reyna.
mo
Hindi
is
siya Reyna. Rina Celestine.
Ayan.
Yan. Pati kay Patrol Woman Dimitria, tsaka kay Dodoso. Hello.
Hello po sa aming
Namiss ko
mga
kayo.
classmates sa Class Bagsikliyab. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At syempre sa class SCMO Class Manawari. Ayan, sa aming mga classmate na nandyan na nanonood. Magandang umaga po.
Kanta na tayo, partner?
Parang kulang tayo ng isa di ba dapat tatlo
Kaya nga
tayo?
eh.
Shout out po sa
Shoutout po
aming
sa aming, leader namin.
leader namin. Patrolwoman Jade Mariel Kilang na nandun sa Bulwagan. Yan, nagtatrabaho
Naghahanap
muna
buhay.
siya. Naghahanap buhay.
Naghahanap
Ayan,
buhay din kami
leader
dito.
ng Chuwariwap.
Yeah,
Ayan.
we're the Chuwariwap.
Ayan. Alayan mo na sila ng inihanda mong awitin, partner.
Yeah, kung alam mo to, kung alam po ninyo, pwede po kayong sumabay dyan kahit nasa online po kayo. Shoutout pala sa mga natin dyan, mga nanonood online. Yan, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat.
Kikiligin na ba ako sa kanta mo, partner?
Wag muna.
Wag muna, mamaya.
Kantahin ko muna pagkatapos na. You give me hope, strength and will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe it turn the tide and make me feel good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your patient lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes stare at me and make me say, I will do you all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I knew got you with me. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes stare at me and make me say, I will do you all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Changes sweet little lies stare me and make me say I'll be you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I knew I've got you with me. Yan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat dyan na nanonood. And that was from Basil Valdez, You.
Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout po kay Mate Oksano sa aking beshi from ARMD. Ayan, sa classmate namin na bawal, malungkot.
Happy lang.
Happy na kasi Joy siya eh.
Oh,
Bawal.
Joy.
Iba na yung pangalan niya kapag naging malungkot siya.
Joy.
Ayan, kay Sir Alex Andel Asuncion, God bless our cups, #Pro4B. Ayan, parang maraming nagko-comment ng mga pros nila sa
Oo.
ating
Kasi nga nung nakaraang
live.
singcaps.
Oo, yan. Sa ating mga viewers, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Hello po mga ma'am, Chiwariwap sabi ni Ma'am Jonah. Ma'am Jonah Arsenal. Hello po ma'am,
Hello po,
magandang
ma'am. Magandang
hapon na eh. Salute
Yeah,
PNP.
magandang
Ayan,
tanghali.
Sir Dada, hello po, magandang hapon. Ang gaganda naman ng mga kachuwariwap ko na yan, Mira and Lisari. Ayan, kay Mate Kilang. Alam, punta ka na dito, miss ka na daw ng online awitan.
Naghahanap buhay pa siya dun sa Bulacan.
Busy pa siya,
Oo,
naghahanap
busy pa siya
buhay
dun.
pa
Kami
siya
na bahala dito.
Ayan. Hello po sa lahat po ng mga personnel po ng PNPTI. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
At kaya kudos din po sa ating PNP for upholding justice and accountability with our fear and favor. #PSPG. Hello po, shoutout po sa ating mga PSPG dyan. Hello po, shoutout po sa inyo dyan. From Brown Score, ba yun pangalan niya? Hello po sir, kung sir ka man or ma'am, hello po, good afternoon, magandang tanghali. Sa lahat ng unit po ng ating sa ating PNP, shoutout po sa inyo dyan.
Pwede po kayong mag-comment kung may gusto po kayong babatiin or meron po kayong awitin na i-request or gusto nyo pong
Opo.
pakantahin po sa amin, ay pwede po kayong mag-comment. Comment down below lamang po sa ating mga viewers. Hello po sa ating 100,000 live viewers. 108,000 dumagdag agad. Oh. Ayan, so sa ating mga kaawitan, suportahan po natin ang programa ng PNP sa mga online platforms at TV. Ayan,
At
so
meron po tayong Police News Network, araw-araw po yan from 11 a.m. to 12 noon at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So ngayon po, nagsimula po yung Police News Network natin 10 kasi po may ano po tayo ngayon, online awitan. Every
awitan.
Wednesday po, magsisimula po yan ng 10 a.m.
Ayan.
Yan.
At syempre, bukod po sa PNN, meron din po tayong Sumbong Nyo, Action Agad, Monday to Friday, alas 12:30 ng tanghali.
At meron din po tayong Police at Your Service every Saturday, alas 7 hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. Yan, pinipicture po dyan ang iba't ibang himpilan ng pulisya at iba pang panig ng bansa.
At syempre, wag nating kakalimutan ang Pika G Online Awitan. Ayan, every Wednesday po yan, 11 a.m. hanggang 12:30 ng hapon. Ayan, so Wednesday na lang yan ha. So abangan po natin sa Wednesday po ulit. Abangan po ninyo kung sino naman po ang mga artist na kakanta. Ayan, so we are down to our second song. Ito ay ni-request ng aking tatay.
Hello po, shoutout po sa tatay ng aking kasamahan dito. Oo, ang gwapo ng papa mo eh.
I've had a lot of big dreams. I've made a lot of made a lot of cold hearts. I've learned to smile and deceive. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold up your hand and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. I've made a lot of heartaches. I found a lot of closed doors. When all the others turn away, you love me more. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold up your hand and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. I want to love forever, to keep our worlds together and be the best that I can be. Baby, every time the world caves in on me, you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. You love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. Taas ko na. Pagod ka ba? Pagod ako nun ah. Taas ka na.
Ayan, that was just as I am. Ayan, sana po ay nagustuhan niya ng aking tatay. Ayan, parang
Siyempre
kanta
naman, matik yan,
Yes, of
magugustuhan.
course. Kahit hindi pa niya naririnig eh. Nagustuhan
Oo,
na agad ng
nagustuhan na
papa ko
agad.
eh.
Sinungalingan.
Ayan. Sa ating mga, ayan, si Sir Itawes, hindi pa siya nakokontento. Shout out po ang top 1 and top 2 ng PSSLC Class 2026-01. Bravo! Ayan, alam mo kung sino yung top 1 and 2.
PSMS,
PSMS Lucky De Vera
Yan.
at PSMS Michael Danggila. Ayan, iba talaga yung mga
Iba tal-
PKG
yung
natin.
drummer natin yan.
Oo, syempre.
Oo,
Tapos
syempre.
yung taga-card.
isa.
Yung isa, ano yun, susunod na singer.
Oh, siya yung lalaban
Sir
sa...
Dangs. Ayan, sa lahat po ng nasa class PSLC Class 2026-01. Magandang hapon po. Mag-comment lang po kayo at babasahin po namin yan. Pa-shoutout po mga idol mula sa hindi napapagod manood na at mag-support. Ayan, hello po, Ma'am
Hello
Des.
po, Ma'am Des.
Na-meet mo na si Ma'am Des?
Hindi pa, pero
Ma'am-
nakakwento siya lagi sa akin.
Oo.
Oo.
Ma'am Des, baka naman po. Yan.
Mga naiiwang kanta ni Ma'am Des, syempre, tayo na din yung
Oo.
kumakanta kaya.
Ma'am Des, yung mga kanta mo, pinapakanta nila sa amin. Ma'am Des, punta ka dito, Ma'am Des, at samahan mo po, Ma'am Des, ang tatlong Chwari-Wow. Yan, serbisyong tapat at tunay nararamdaman. Salute po. Ayan, sabi po ni Sir Kempoy.
Thank you po.
Awitan mo na sila, mate.
Ay, ako na pala.
Lagi akong nanonood at nag-LCS mga idol. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Des. Salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta ng online awitan. Ayan. Pa-shoutout mga idol, hindi ako napapagod. Mag-LCS pag live kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat, Ma'am.
I'm broke, but I'm happy. I'm poor, but I'm kind. I'm short, but I'm healthy. Yeah. I'm high, but I'm grounded. I'm sane, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm lost, but I'm hopeful, baby. And what it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be quite alright. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a high five. I feel drunk but I'm sober. I'm young and I'm underpaid. I'm tired but I'm working, yeah. I care but I'm restless. And I'm here but I'm really gone. And I'm wrong and I'm sorry, baby. And what it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be quite alright. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is flicking a cigarette. And what it all comes down to is that I don't all figure out just yet. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving up inside. I'm free but I'm focused. I'm green but I'm wise. I'm hard but I'm friendly, baby. I'm shy but I'm laughing. And I'm brave but I'm shaking shit. And I'm sick but I'm pretty, baby. And what it all boils down to is that how we all figure out just yet. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is playing a piano. And what it all comes down to is that everything's gonna fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is stealing a taxi cab. Now, thank you so much, and that was from Alanis Morissette, Hand in My Pocket. Shoutout din po pala sa pamilya ko dyan sa Mindanao. Hello, mayong udto sa inyong tanandra. Binabati ko din po yung mga kaibigan ko dyan. Hello po. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan kay Rachel May. Hello, shoutout kay Jai Jai. At hindi ko na lang babanggitin yung mga apelido nyo, basta alam nyo na kung sino na kayo dyan.
Ayan, may nagpapa-shoutout. Shoutout naman po sa Tech, Sir Idol Tech. Ayan, nagpapabati po si Ma'am Ruth Daroca Camino. Hello po, ma'am. Ayan.
ma'am.
Shoutout
Magandang
daw
hapon
po
po sa
kay
iyo
Idol, kay Sir Idol Tech. Ayan, kumakanta din yan si Sir Idol Tech. Ano kaya kung kumanta si Sir Idol, no?
Kaya nga, gusto ko din marinig ulit si Sir
Ay,
Idol kumanta.
narinig mo na si Sir
Oo, narinig
kumanta?
ko, syempre. Kumanta yan sa mall eh.
Ay, oo pala.
Oo, sa Ali Mall, yung-
Oo, ayan, parang...
May,
Ay, nagpa-practice si Sir, oh.
tiga cover nga ako ng mga kanta niya. Sabi niya, pasend dun sa Viber. Sabi,
Pasend daw sa Viber.
pasend sa Viber ko.
Oo, Sir, oh. Baka gusto mo... Dapat, Sir, kumakanta ka din dito, Sir, oh. Ay.
Nagdetect
Ay,
daw siya.
nagdetect daw siya. Pwede
Shoutout na lang kay Sir.
Yan, next time na lang.
Para
daw.
makapaghanda pa siya ng
Ayan.
magandang awitin.
Pabati naman po ng happy birthday sa Bea Alonso ng Pika G. Ayan.
Bea Alonso ng Pika
Yes,
G.
si Ma'am NUP Fritz Ann Reyes. Happy birthday, Ma'am. Sabi po
Happy birthday
ni
ma'am.
Sir Makian. Ayan.
Happy
Meron pa tayong
birthday
Bea,
to you.
Bea Alonso.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Parang may bagong version. Sana ay mabusog mo kami.
Akala ko yung happy.
Hindi na nagkasundo yung dalawa na lang tayo. Hindi
Dalawa
pa
na
tayo
lang.
nagkasundo eh.
Dito yung leader natin, tinurot na
Oo,
tayo.
yes.
High blood na naman.
Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Sabi ni Ma'am Zero Zane 073.
Yeah, thank you, Ma'am.
Hello po from Pro 4B. Parang nakakarami na tong Pro 4B ah. Ma'am Lenra Nalnasio, hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Pabati po sa aking mister ng happy birthday. Hello po sa asawa po ni Police Lieutenant Clarita Espiritu. Hello po, ma'am. At happy birthday po sa inyong minamahal na asawa.
Happy
Ayan,
birthday,
maraming
sir.
nagbo-birthday. April ka din, di ba,
Oo,
partner? Ayan, happy
April
birthday
din
din
ako.
sa'yo.
Buti na pumasa ako dun. Kasi yung last jogging ko nga, yung training
Oo, di
pa.
ba, nag-ano daw siya? Nag-ano daw siya, nagulat naman ako doon. Akala ko may kalaban eh. Ayan, nag-PFT.
Yeah.
Yan, nakakatawa tong partner ko kasi nag-PFT daw siya. Tapos yung last na jogging daw niya
ko
is training pa.
Malakas pa pala talaga tayo.
Oh, malakas ka pa.
Oo.
Bata ka pa eh. Bata ka pa. Ayan, so we are down to ilang songs pa ba? So, ayan, sabayan mo na lang ako dito, partner.
Para kanino ba yan, partner?
Hindi naman sa'yo, partner.
Sa akin talaga.
Tungkulting ito ay alay sa'yo.
Wow.
Simple naman tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka. Tumanda.
Nalala ko yung gitara ni Sari eh.
Ano ba yung nagigitara no? Bilang pumila doon ata sa lab.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when you're trying to suspect. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build your fire if the furnace breaks. It could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin mo ko pag mayroon ako. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahina ang tuhod. Ikukuha ng gamot
pag sumakit ang likod, okay sarap isipin, kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, higit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo ng 3,001. Pagtapos mamalansya, kahit abot-abutin man ako ng pasma, okay sarap isipin, kasama kang tumanda. Loves na loves pa rin kita kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa'kin ikaw ang pinakapoging papa, okay sarap isipin, kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo ng 3,001. Let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when your had so much to drink. I could be the girl who grows old with you. Ako sa'yo, simula sa araw na to, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang, kasama ka tumanda.
Para sa akin ba yun?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ayan, parang paakala ko kasi patok na si ma'am eh.
Habang tumitingin si ma'am, parang paiyak na si ma'am.
Yes, smash up po siya, sir. Ayan. Naalala ko naman dito sa Grow Old video, si Sir Andrade, kasi lagi niya tong kinakanta.
kinakanta
Ayan,
niya.
shoutout po kay Sir Andrade. Ayan. Cordon Police Station. Ayan, hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Anong pro yan, ma'am? Isabela, PRO2, hello po. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Ruth, ma'am, di lang ikaw. Ayan, ma'am, sige ma'am, kantayin natin mamaya. Kaso, wala si Sir Noknok, bibiruin na naman ako sa kantang di lang ikaw. Sige, try natin mamaya. We are down to our last two.
So,
Sige,
napag-usapan
kantahin natin
namin
yung
na-
di lang ikaw.
Napag-usapan namin na kantahin niya yung di lang ikaw.
Ma'am Ruth, nandyan ka pa po ba? Kung comment ka ma'am kung nandyan ka pa. Kung nandyan ka pa ma'am, kakantahin natin. Pag wala ka na,
Magparamdam ka ma'am.
magalawin mo ma'am ang baso. Pag wala ka na ma'am, hindi ko to kakantahin. Ma'am oh, alam ko nandyan yan si ma'am eh. Di lang ikaw. Ala, di ko pa naman to alam.
Alam mo yan.
Alam
Piyasa mo yan eh.
Ala, hindi ko to alam. Ayan, hello Ma'am Ruth. Ma'am Ruth, nandyan ka pa po ba? Dapat nandito ka ma'am kasi paano mo to maririnig? Pagalawin ng baso. O baka ikaw muna, di pa nagko-comment si Ma'am Ruth. Ma'am Ruth, nandyan ka pa po ba?
Diyan pa yan
ko.
si ma'am, nakikinig lang yan. Ma'am, pakigalaw ng cellphone.
Ma'am, pakigalaw ng baso. Ayan, kantayin natin ang Di Lang Ikaw. Ma'am, pakanta po ng Angel by Robbie Williams. Ma'am Ruth, para po sa'yo ito.
Pansin mo ba ang pagbabago? Di matitigan ang iyong mga mata. Tila hindi na nga nananabik sa iyong yakap at halik.
Ruth, nandyan ka ba, Ma'am Ruth?
Pagsin mo ba at nararamdaman, di na tayo magkaintindihan, tila hindi na maibabalik. Tamis ng yakap at halik, maaring tama ka, lumalamig ang pagsinta. Sana'y malaman mong di ko sinasadya. Di lang ikaw, hindi lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw, hindi lang ikaw ang nababahalang bulong ng isip. Huwag kang pakawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Di hahayang habang buhay kang saktan. Isasayangin ang iyong panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa yakap at sa piling na ng iba. Di lang ikaw, hindi lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang nababahalang bulong ng isip. Huwag kang pakawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Malungkot talaga. Malungkot talaga siya.
Ayan, Ma'am Ruth. Ayan, sana ay nagustuhan mo ang iyong request. Ma'am, thank you so much po, Ma'am Ruth, sa iyong ni-request na awitin. Ayan. We are down po to our last song. Ayan yung masaya daw sabi ni Ma'am Abby. Ma'am Abby, kasi malungkot yung ni-request Ma'am Abby eh. Yan. Kakanta si... Kapit lang po at we are down po to our last song.
At huwag po nating kalimutang i-share po ang ating online awitan ngayon para mas marami pa yung makakapanood po ng ating live.
Ayan. We are down to our last song. Ayan. Masaya daw, sabi ni Ma'am Avi. Puro pa naman malungkot yung kanta ni Umalay.
Ay, oo, minsan malungkot, minsan may rock. Yun, panahon din.
Just a feeling coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, get the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised it was a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find
nagtatapos ang ating online awitan ngayong umagang ito at tanghali na pala. Muli po ako po ang inyong lingkod, Patrolwoman Resali Umalay.
At ako naman po si Patrolwoman Gladys Miraflor. Kasama po ang ating mga Pika G artist na si Patrolman Josel Sakmar at syempre ang ating Grand Champion ng Singing Cups of the Philippines for ako Season 2
Season
PNSG Norman A. Wallman III. Kami po ang bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Maraming salamat
Thank
po.
you.
Kantahan at kwentuhan, mapagugod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan.